Welcome to Project Ares. Compelling backstories gamify cyber defense training. High-fidelity training using functional virtual machines. Support for Windows, Linux, industrial control system devices, industry-provided products, and cutting-edge red team tools. A natural language processing AI, powered by AZURE bot services. Trainer View allows for real-time spectator or instructor engagement. Trainers can observe or modify the mission environment during play. View history and post-mission analysis. Is your network safe? Let's get your team ready. This is Project Ares.